nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from, patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my